Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says find the value of x in 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x all over 3 equals to 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. So we are going to find the value of x. So we have the solution. So we are given 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x all over 3 equals to 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. So this is the equation, and we have a fraction here and we have initial equation here. So here what we are going to do is to cross multiply. So we say cross multiply both sides. So here will become 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x equals to 3 times 2 to the power of 2x plus 1. So in this case, here we have an exponential factor here. So this can be written as 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x equals to 3 times 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the power of 1. Because here, say note, when we have a to the power of c plus d is the same thing as a to the power of c times a to the power of d. So this is why we have this. So this will become 25 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x equals to, we have 3 and 2 here. 3 times 2 we have 6 times 2 to the power of 2x. So that is what we have now. Now this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2x can be written as, we can write this as 4 to the power of x. So in this case, we can divide all through by 4 to the power of x. So here will become 25 to the power of x all over 4 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x all over 4 to the power of x equals to 6 times 4 to the power of x all over 4 to the power of x. So in this case, this one will cancel here and this one will cancel here. So this one can be written as 25 is 5 raised to the power of 2 all to the power of x all over 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x plus, here we have 10 all over 4 all to the power of x equals to 6. Here 2 can cancel here 2, 2 can cancel here 5. So we are now left with, we have 5 to the power of 2 all over 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x, because we have to the power of x and we have to the power of x. So this is how it becomes, plus 5 all over 2 all to the power of x equals to 6. So this is our new equation now. So now this one will become, we have something like this. This, we recall that when we have a to the power of 2 and b to the power of 2, or to the power of x and b to the power of x, is the same thing as a all over b all to the power of x. So that is why we have this. And also when we have a to the power of 2 and b to the power of 2 all to the power of x, can be written as, this can be written as a to the power of 2x all over b to the power of 2x, and also a to the a all over b all to the power of 2 all to the power of x. So this is, we are going to express this in this format. This will become 5 all over 2 all to the power of x, then raised to the power of 2, plus we have 5 all over 2 all to the power of x equals to 6. In this case, we have 5 all over 2 to the power of x and we have 5 all over 2 to the power of x. So we say let 5 all over 2 to the power of x equals to y. We are going to substitute y into where we have 5 all over 2 raised to the power of x. So that will become y squared plus y equals to 6. So here we have this. So let's move over to this other side. So we clean this. So as we said, we have y squared plus y equals to 6. So we can transpose 6 into this other side. It becomes y squared plus y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. And for us to find this, we are going to use a factorization method for us to find for the value of y. So what we are going to do is to multiply 6 by y squared and find two factors. When we add and subtract, will give us this. So 6y squared will give us, for us to have this, we are going to have 3y minus 2y. So here we are going to substitute 3y minus 2y in the place of y. So we have y squared plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. So we are going to factor this out. So we have y into y plus 3. Then we have here, we have minus 2 into y plus 3. Because 2 goes here, y, and 2 goes here, 3 equals to 0. So we have this one and this one is the same. So we pick one, y plus 3. Then we pick y minus 2. Y minus 2 equals to 0. So in this case, we have two parentheses here. It's either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. So the first one here, y plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore, we have y equals to, because this will transpose into this other side, because minus 3. So that is what we have for this. So the second one, we have y minus 2 equals to 0. So in this case, y equals to, this will transpose into this other side, become 2. So in this case, we have y equals to minus 3 and y equals to 2. So here we recall that we say let 5 all over 2 raised to the power of x equals to y. So we are going to substitute that into where we have there. So now 5 all over 2 all to the power of x equals to minus 3. So in this case, this equals to minus 3. And the whole of this place cannot turn to negative sign. So that means here we don't have real solution. So no real solution on this other side. So this is rejected. So now here we take over this other side. So we have y equals to 2. So when we bring down this one, we have 5 all over 2 all to the power of x equals to y, which is 2. So in this case, we are going to apply log to both sides. So we say apply log to both sides. So this is what we have. So we need to clean this. So when we apply log to both sides, we are going to find the value of x. So we have this 5 all over 2 all to the power of x equals to 2. As we said, we apply log to both sides. So this log that we are going to apply to both sides is going to be at the base of this. So that will become log 5 all over 2 raised to the power of x base 5 all over 2 equals to log 2 base 5 all over 2. So that is what the base of the log that we apply to both sides. So when this will become, here we know that the exponential power here, or the exponential, here we know that the exponential value here will come to the product. So that will become x times log 5 all over 2 base 5 all over 2 equals to log 2 base 5 all over 2. So that is what we have. So here we all know that when we have, say note, when we have log a base a equals to 1. So in this case, we have log 5 all over 2 base 5 all over 2 equals to 1. So here we come x times 1 equals to log 2 base 5 all over 2. So here will become, therefore, our x here equals to log 2 base 5 all over 2. So this is the value of our x that satisfies this equation. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.